Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the passcode lock time in the OneDrive app on your Android device. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to keep your documents secure while making sure you aren't constantly interrupted by the passcode screen. This is a fantastic little tweak for anyone who wants a smoother experience when jumping in and out of their files throughout the day. Alright, let's dive right in. First, grab your Android phone and open up the OneDrive app. If you haven't updated the app in a while, you might want to check for updates first. Sometimes settings move around in newer versions, and it's always good to be on the latest one for security. On the OneDrive home screen, look towards the top right corner. You'll see either your profile picture or an icon that says Me. Go ahead and tap on that. This pulls up your personal menu, and from here we'll head deeper into the app's settings. Now tap on Settings. Don't worry if you have to scroll down a little bit to find it. It's sometimes tucked away towards the bottom of this menu. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Passcode. This is the area where OneDrive manages your app lock security. Here, where things start to get interesting, you'll see an option called Passcode Timeout. This setting is basically the timer that determines how long OneDrive will wait after you've stopped using it before it locks itself and asks for your PIN code, fingerprint, or face again. Think of it like a snooze timer for your security. If the timeout is short, you're going to be prompted to unlock pretty much every time you glance away, and that can get frustrating quickly, especially if you're multitasking. If you increase the timeout, OneDrive stays open for a little while, so you can bounce between tasks or look up a document without getting locked out immediately. Tap on Passcode Timeout. A new menu will pop up with several choices, something like 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, up to 2 minutes, depending on your device and app version. I recommend choosing either 1 minute or, if you're comfortable with it, 2 minutes. This gives you a practical balance. The app won't lock you out the moment you get distracted, but your information still isn't left exposed for too long. If you work in an office or a shared environment, just think about how likely it is that someone else would get access to your phone. Choose a setting that feels right for you. Once you tap your preferred option, it'll save automatically. You can back out of the settings and continue using OneDrive as usual. Remember, this timeout only affects the period your OneDrive app stays active after you last used it. It doesn't change your main device lock settings. And that's it. If you ever want to tighten security again, for example, if you're going to be traveling or leaving your phone where others could access it, you can pop back into these settings and choose a shorter timeout. Sometimes having the app lock quickly brings peace of mind. Other times it's just a distraction. Alright, I hope this walkthrough made OneDrive's passcode timeout settings a lot clearer and helps you feel more in control of your privacy and workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and if you still have questions, maybe you're seeing a different menu or you use iOS instead, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.